Hello and welcome back to my channel. On this video you're going to see me install a 3-zone ductless Daikin mini split system.
You are amazing.
So hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I try to answer all the questions in my comment section. So enjoy. Alright, let's get this party started. Condenser in there first, I'm guessing. Well, actually no, probably last, huh? That way it's easier to take that out. I'm just gonna fit there. Good thinking, sir. I gotta get the tips to the side, huh? Here, yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Like a glove. Alright, good deal. Manuel. Thank you, sir. Ready? Let's go. Going in there. I'm gonna go see if the path is clear to run the copper all the way across to the other side where the unit's gonna go. Well, one of the units is gonna go.
I hope you're watching.
And see which way is more clear. I think if I go to the right, there'll be more space. Let's go that way. Decisions go this way, where it's more clear. Over there. Over here, where the pipe is slightly lower. Yeah, maybe I'll keep going straight. I think I can go more towards the right to clear it. Okay. Alright, is that some kind of critter trail? That's what always scares me, that I'm gonna find some kind of critter. But I don't know. We'll see once I get over there. So I'm gonna take some pictures and some measurements so that when I drill through here, make sure that I don't drill through any electrical conduits or something.
I just think they're neat.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. All clear. It's all clear, so we are gonna be able to run the lines. See any snakes? It's probably just a wire. Safety first, kids.
Well, be careful, man. Be careful. We're shoes in the house. Safety.
Oh, oh. Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Now we know it's clear. One of the units is gonna go there. Copper is gonna go down and underneath the house. It's gonna go around the corner. That's our condenser. This is our copper right there. So condenser is gonna go right here, and copper is gonna come out of there. One of the units is gonna be directly on the other side of this wall, and it's just gonna go straight down to the unit. I'll show you where the other one's gonna go. It's gonna go all the way around to the other side. Probably gonna come out of here somewhere, and then go down and underneath the house. So that's that. Let's get started. Well, I already kind of got started, but let's get started doing the actual work. There we go. So that's where that unit's gonna go, right there. This one right here. All right, so our bracket is up. I made the hole and then I taped it because now I'm gonna drill from the outside in. I don't want all that dust to come in here. Oh, this is gonna be good! There's the wire. So I'm gonna connect it to that unit. Then I'm gonna mount it, stub out the copper.